Jenkins, put the bacon on, we'll be back for breakfast. Good man. Come on, Ginger. Right, ready, Billy. Magneto's on. Contact. Contact. Contact.
Oh, flashbang, what a picture! What a picture! What a photograph!
Contact. There we go, Billy. Chops away. Hello and welcome to Tweed's Garage, where in this video we're actually going to have a go at starting the Riley. Yeah, so it's the long-awaited start video. Will it start? All these bits left over. Yeah, so there's a few little jobs to do first, so Mr. Tweed will run you through that. And then we'll get to the end of the video and we'll attempt to start it. Will it start? Won't it start? Will it rattle? Who knows? Anyway, so grab yourself a brew, sit tight, and we'll go and fill up the radiator. Okay, let's attempt to put the water in for the fourth time. If you don't need to go to the toilet, you will do soon. Now, got a dead animal in it. What about now? Oh yeah, tap is closed. That was lucky. How about now? How about now? If any of you are wondering, I'm putting this corrosion inhibitor in, which seems to sort of be quite well thought of amongst the vintage community, because it's designed to work on central heating systems, so designed for copper and brass. There we go, up to the top of the radiator. Definitely now. I'm just about to bolt the rocker assemblies down. I'm just going to turn the engine over so that the side that I'm tightening down hopefully won't have any valves open, so I'm not putting too much strain on it as I secure it down. That's about the best for that side. Check that all the balls are in the cups on the rockers. That one's high. That one's in. And then that one's in. Push them down. Right. Okay. could use fibre washers, but I'm not a great fan of them. I know it's what they used, but as I've got to torque the heads back down again, I'll see how badly they leak, and either put in Doughty washers like I said, or yeah, we have to go back to the fibre washers. Let's get the turn over. It's okay. When I say I'm not a fan of fibre washers, I should say I'm not a fan of modern fibre washers. The ones you get now just don't seem to seal as well as the old ones. I don't know why. Well, I probably do. We all do, depending where they're made. But yeah, you just can't seem to find quality fibre washers that actually do the job that they're designed to do. Right, again, just check they're sitting in the buckets as we tighten them down. That's going down. Yep, so it's gone down okay. Next, connect the ore feeds back up. I'm a little tune while you're doing it. There we go. There we go. Manifold of the gaskets have squeaked down a bit. So this is the valve clearances: inlet 2 thou, exhaust 3 to 4 thou when the engine is hot. Well, we haven't got the engine running yet, so we'll leave them a little bit bigger than that. And then once we've got it running, you know, we'll tweak and check them again afterwards. I stopped filming in a panic because I thought I had an electrical short. I could hear a sort of buzzing like a starter motor. I discovered what it was. Hang on, move the microphone down. It's just the throttle linkage bouncing. Right, let's get on and do the valve clearances. So number 1 is open. Let's check number 2. And this is, for those that don't know, these are the exhaust and these are the inlets. So these need to be do these about 5 thou, do these about 3. That one's loose. As with a lot of Rileys, we've got a mixed bag of captive bolts. This is the original, these nut and bolts on this one, and this one have been added. I think they get over tightened and strip the threads. So release the washer, lock bolt. As always with most manufacturers, it's really awkward to get in and do the blooming valve clearances. That's these off just about there. There. Tighten it back, nip it back down again. It's locked off. Right, next one. Number 2. Missed that one. Right, watch for the next one to go down and then just do the opposite. So the number 4 exhaust is going down about there. There's a bit of play on that one. That's an inlet, so we're going to go about 3 thou on that one. A bit tight. We're expecting them all to be a bit loose because the head's been clamped down a bit. More. There we go. Sorry if head's getting in the way, I'm trying to keep out the way of the camera. There we go. Nips about there, back it off just a touch, tighten it up. Yeah, that's right. Right, next one. Seems a bit tight. Right. And these ones, the only thing I can get to fit these nuts and bolts are these snap-on weird ring spanners that I was given by somebody. But they do come in handy. They're, what are they? 5/16 and quarter little ring spanners. Not sure what they're for, but they do seem to fit some of the Whitworth stuff. Right, there we go. Where are they gone? Go on, can't lost all of them. No, what are you doing hiding up there? Come on. There we go, horn bell, horn bell. Horn wires next. Right, the horn's wired in. It's had a persuasive tap. So let's have a look. Jolly good. Right, that's it. Oh, there we go. Right, I think that's everything done. Time to clear the decks. Put on the temporary fuel tank, and we're not far off giving it a go. Good news is water appears to be staying in. Yep, so that's good. Let's get cracking. Can't put it off anymore. We're going to give it a go. I've only got some stale old fuel that was in it, but we don't want to get him too excited on his first run, so we'll give this a go and see how we go. Right, let's go and decamp some of this. Fuel on. Confidence building swig of tea. Check we're in neutral. Put the light on because we've got to check oil pressure. Just check that nobody's stolen the oil. Yeah, no, it's all good. Okay, crank start handle taken out. In neutral. Fuel on. Fuel on. Oh. Fuel on. Oh. What's going on there? Fuel on. Plenty of fuel on. Okay. So check, check, choke. Yeah, looks like we're flooding for some reason. Okay, pause. Right, checked it out. Hopefully it will settle down. More confidence building tea. Turn it back on again. Okay, choke on, out of gear, false the ignition, bit of throttle, press the button. Try it with the mag on. Oh, and in the next clip, Mr. Tweed discovers that the magneto's working very well. Keep your eyes peeled. Shall we see that again, children? Yay! Not sure what that chirping noise is though. So there you go, the Riley is running. Yes, yes, I know, shush, quiet, yeah, shush, 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 there we go. Yes, the Riley is running. A few more little jobs to do. Need to sort of just go over and check the valve clearances again, play with the mixtures, see if we can get it to run a bit better when blipping the throttle. And I really want to check the timing, but if you know the Rileys are very difficult to find anywhere to get, get to a timing mark that you can put a timing light on. So I may have to take the floorboard out again, just to sort of check the timing at fully retarded for my own peace of mind, so I know I'm in the sort of in the right ballpark. Yeah, and then all we got to do is get it out of the garage, which is quite difficult because there's at least 2 bikes behind it and there's a ton bag of compost on the other side of the garage door. So it will take a little while, but we'll get there, and then we'll have a little shakedown run around the roads. That'll be fun, won't it? Yeah, so I hope you like it. Give us a little like if you sort of enjoyed it or want to have a chat. Comment down the bottom, and if you want to see more, subscribe like they all say, and I'll see you next time. All right, cheerio. What's that, Jenkins? Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do now. Have to buy some old snotter and do it up. What do you reckon? What will Mrs. Tweed say? Doesn't bear thinking about. Mind yourself with it. Bit tight. Sorting out on the carburetor.